Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as we are discussing about important concepts of chemistry for class 12, I would like to introduce another concept which is related to the rate of a chemical reaction. Now, we all know any chemical reaction involves the conversion of reactants to the products. Let us say we have a reaction in which a, which is the stoichiometry of capital A reactant, small b, which is the stoichiometry coefficient of capital B reactant, is going to produce C as a product with small c as its stoichiometry coefficient, which we call number of moles also, right? So A, number of moles of capital A, B, number of moles of capital B, C, number of moles of capital C. A and B are here working as reactants and C working as product here. Now, what if we have to write the rate of a chemical reaction for this particular generalized reaction? Always remember what we have to do is we have to represent a negative sign in front of reactants always. Why? Because always whenever we have to write a rate, we know rate is always a change in concentration. Reactants concentration will always be decreased in a reaction. So we have to represent a minus sign in front of reactants. So what is a change? How we are representing a change? It is D, differentiation, d by dt with respect to time. But what respect to time? The change in concentration of reactant A as well as minus the change in concentration of reactant B. Since these concentrations are going to be decreased, we have to put this negative sign. Always remember that, okay? Otherwise, your answers will get wrong. So, what about the stoichiometries? How we are going to write it? These stoichiometries should be written in reciprocal terms. Stoichiometry of capital B, small b written in reciprocal terms. Stoichiometry of capital A written is in reciprocal terms, just like this. And what about the product? How we are going to equate it with the product? In the similar manner, change in concentration of C, how we are changing the concentration of C, it is going to be increased. That's why I have applied a positive sign. And the concentration of C is increased with respect to what? Time, dt. And what about its stoichiometry? Again, the reciprocal of that. All right. So these three terminologies are equating to each other. So if we have a question in which we have to find the concentration of C change with respect to time, and we have given the concentration of A or B, either of the reactant, and the stoichiometries are given, we can easily calculate this particular term, which is concentration of C with respect to T. So if you got this concept, you can also easily calculate the rate of reaction for this particular case, 3A plus 4B producing 5C, let us say. Okay, so just give me the answer in the comment how you are going to write this rate, and further we will discuss about how we are going to apply this particular rate concept in our future questions. Thank you.